So I wanted to use Wikipedia in the context of some kind of session, and so I thought, okay, I'll use it in this session called Critical Thinking: The Evaluation of Information, and I'm going to use the Reference Finder tool, which is a tool where you skip through Wikipedia. It skips through Wikipedia for you, and it finds places where there's missing references. So I thought it was kind of cool. You get students to put themselves in the position of the Wikipedia editor, and they want to make Wikipedia as good as possible. And to do that, you need to find good, solid sources to cite, so that Wikipedia itself is as reliable as it can be. So so that was fine. So I tried it, and I gave students the CRAP test to do their evaluations with, and people really actually seem like, it's funny how what you expect people to be excited about is not actually what they get excited about. People seem to be more excited about the CRAP test than they are about Wikipedia, and I guess that sort of comes down to they just like having something, like they're looking for, critical thinking is this very nebulous kind of thing, and so if you have something where you can break it down into some meaningful chunks, then they're all over it. And so they actually quite like, I get good responses to the CRAP test itself. Not necessarily Wikipedia, although people are sort of somewhat interested in Wikipedia. But a couple of things. On the one hand, I just wonder whether I'm excited about Wikipedia, but I wonder if it's just sort of kind of out of date. And I wonder whether, Wikipedia was a big thing when I was a student, kind of a postgraduate student in my mid-20s, early 30s, but that's like 10, 15 years ago now. So do students these days still use Wikipedia, or are they just getting information that's sort of churned out through social media? I'm not sure. So it might not be relevant to them the way that I think it is. And then on the other hand, we go through the exercise and they like looking for sources and that kind of thing. But I really want them to go through this checklist. And that's proved to be the hardest thing to do, is to actually get them to go through the checklist. So it's really kind of a back to basics thing. It's, you have to model it. And I was like, oh, I didn't really model it. So I started actually putting an X in the box and showing them the X in the box. And then I want them to go through this, put the X's in the box and actually add it up at the end. So I think I'm making some headway with that.